Hey guys, what's better than this? What's better than this opportunity right now? This is what it's all about. This is why we play this game. All the we do, everything that you guys go through all year, every single day, what you guys go through is made for these ops. It's made for these opportunities to go put that shit on tape. Let's go put this shit on tape and go play our best 30 minutes, come back in and do it again. Let's have some fun, stay together. Let's go play our best ball. Let's go, guys. Jacksonville 3-1-2-3.